Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to solve your problems on Pinterest codes. To know how to solve Pinterest codes, you should just go to settings. After that, in this list, you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this page, you will click on Pinterest. Here, as you see, then we click on first stop and we click OK. After that, we'll enter to storage. When you find this page, we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.